Hello everyone, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to reference any citations, for example, any paper, any article, any conference paper into our thesis or into our research paper. So this video is only going to based on the Mendeley software that we will use for the citation purposes. There are many other softwares such as EndNote or Zotero or many others, okay? But this time we are only going to focus on the Mendeley software, how to install them and how to do the reference. I will do a practical example of putting a reference into this Word document. So what you have to do is you have to go to your browser. Okay, I have already opened this file, but let's say we search for Mendeley software. Okay, so you see this is the official Mendeley website, so you go there. From there you will see that you have this website open from the Mendeley, and you go directly to the download option you see here. Okay, so you go there and then you download it for the window. Okay, so it is very easy process. It is just you just follow the steps and you will actually download the software, and then you will install it. It is very simple. After installing this software, then you have to do two more things. The first is Mendeley for Chrome. This is the extension. Okay, so you will go here, Mendeley web importer or something. Okay, and you will get extension. So this thing only works on the Google Chrome. You can also do for Mozilla, for other browsers, but I usually use Google Chrome. So this works better in that way. Okay, you will download this extension. It is a very simple procedure, and you will simply download it very easily. The third step is you have to do the Mendeley extension for MS Word. Okay, this one. So you go here, Mendeley cite. This is the name of the extension for the not the extension, actually it is the add-on for the Microsoft Word. So you will download this option, get Mendeley cite, and when you install it, it is a very simple procedure. After installing it, I suggest you to restart your computer, and if you don't want to restart, let's say, then you should restart your Word pages. Okay, once you restart your Word, you will go open your Word and you will see that under the reference tab, you see here the reference tab, under the references tab should see this option, insert citation. This option will not come up until or unless you download this Mendeley cite software. Okay, so it is very composite. So there are three steps and you should follow in the sequence that I told you. Okay, now we are here. Let's say I want to search for a specific paper. I open my Google Chrome. I go here for the Google Scholars and I write something like, for example, okay, I already have this one, some keywords. So let's say this is some paper. Let's say this one. Okay, so we have opened this paper, and now you just have to click this. This is the extension that I have already installed that I told you about. Okay, so once you click it, if it doesn't work, like in my case sometimes it doesn't work, then I just refresh the page and it should work now. Okay, it is working. So yeah, these things come up, so you must check the paper. You should read the author of the paper, which is Albert. So Albert is there, then you click it and you click on add. Okay, so once you click it, add, this will start some working. Now the software that you have already installed, which is known as the Mendeley desktop, you see this software, Mendeley desktop. In this software you will have your own library. Okay, for example, this is my library. Then once you add this one to my library from the Google Chrome, then you go to your library like this one, use and sync it. It is very important to do this, otherwise it will not appear in the Microsoft Word. So I will sync it. You see there is a process, and when it is done, now I can cite it. So the name is Albert. Okay, so I will go into my Microsoft Word. I want to now cite the paper, so I must click on this one. I should search for Albert. So here it is, Isabelle Albert. Okay, so you just click it, voila, there you have your citation. So if you need any more help in this regard, let me know. I will answer your questions. Thank you. Bye bye.